Keeping your swimming pool spotless is easier than ever with the latest cleaning technology. The best robot vacuum for pool takes the hassle out of maintenance, offering automated cleaning, powerful suction, and efficient performance to keep water crystal clear. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Robot Vacuum. The Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Robot Vacuum is designed for pool owners who want a seamless, high-performance cleaning experience. Its double filtration system sets it apart, featuring both a standard 180-micron filter and a replaceable 3-micron ultra-fine filter, allowing it to capture even the smallest debris, from leaves and sand to fine particles, ensuring crystal clear water. The unit is powered by an industry-leading 180-minute battery, which is ideal for larger pools and allows uninterrupted cleaning sessions without the need for frequent recharging. The Scuba S1 is equipped with Wave Path Navigation 2.0, an intelligent navigation system that systematically maps the pool for optimized cleaning routes, covering every corner efficiently without missing spots. This advanced navigation ensures consistent coverage of the pool floor, walls, and even the waterline, so owners can enjoy a thorough clean every time. Smart App Control adds an extra layer of convenience, letting users monitor, schedule, and adjust cleaning settings directly from their smartphone. Additionally, OTA, over-the-air, updates the software current, introducing new features and optimizations over time. The Scuba S1 is also built with durability in mind, with robust construction and easy-to-maintain filters that make upkeep simple. Its combination of deep cleaning performance, long battery life, and smart connectivity makes it suitable for a wide range of pool types and sizes. For pool owners who value efficiency, precision, and hands-free operation, the Aiper Scuba S1 delivers exceptional results while minimizing manual labor. Its multi-feature design ensures a clean and hygienic swimming environment, reducing the time and effort required for pool maintenance and leaving water sparkling clear, free from debris, and ready for swimming at all times. Number 2. Zyerch Pool Robot Vacuum. The Zyerch Pool Robot Vacuum is engineered for pool owners seeking professional-grade cleaning without the hassle of manual maintenance. With a 7,800 mAh battery, 180-watt brushless motor, and 300-micron filter, this robotic cleaner delivers powerful suction capable of removing all types of debris from pool surfaces, ensuring a spotless swimming environment. It operates for up to 150 minutes per charge, which is ideal for medium to large in-ground pools with depths up to 9.8 feet. Zyerch's intelligent navigation system utilizes over 20 sensors to scan and map the pool accurately, cleaning efficiently with an N-shaped path that maximizes coverage and reduces wasted movement. While this model is best suited for pools without steps, it excels at cleaning floors, walls, and water lines. The vacuum comes with multiple cleaning modes that can be tailored to meet specific needs, including full pool, floor-only, or wall-only settings, allowing users to customize cleaning schedules and intensities. Its durable construction, upgraded motor, and four-wheel drive system ensure long-lasting performance across various pool surfaces, including tile, PVC, mosaic, and glass. The Zyerch robot is not just efficient, but also easy to maintain, with a removable filter for quick cleaning and simple assembly for hassle-free use. For homeowners seeking a reliable robot. Number 3. Aiper Waterline Pool Robot Vacuum. The Aiper Waterline Pool Robot Vacuum provides an advanced cleaning solution for pool owners who demand precision and efficiency. This model excels at cleaning not only the pool floor, but also walls and the waterline, thanks to its powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities. The generously sized filter basket efficiently traps both large debris and fine particles, ensuring water remains crystal clear. Its upgraded Wave Path Navigation 2.0 optimizes cleaning routes to minimize overlaps and reduce cleaning time, delivering a systematic approach that guarantees full pool coverage. Caterpillar treads enhance mobility, allowing the robot to navigate drains, steps, corners, and other uneven terrains with ease, preventing slipping while maintaining consistent cleaning performance. Users can select from 4 cleaning modes: auto, Eco, floor only and wall only, allowing for versatile operation that adapts to pool conditions and user preferences. Auto mode combines wall, waterline, and floor cleaning for a comprehensive approach, while Eco mode provides hassle-free periodic cleaning on a set schedule. The Aiper Waterline robot vacuum is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle while remaining robust enough to endure regular pool use. Its design emphasizes user convenience, from simple filter removal to intuitive controls that can be managed through a connected app. Number 4. Dolphin Pool Robot Vacuum. The Dolphin Pool Robot Vacuum offers an effortless solution for maintaining a clean and inviting pool. With active scrubbing technology, this vacuum eliminates manual scrubbing by gently but effectively removing dirt, algae, and debris from all surfaces. Its top-load filter basket simplifies debris removal, ensuring water stays clear and hygienic. Dolphin's plug-and-play design makes setup and operation incredibly simple. Just plug it in, place it in the pool, and watch it clean efficiently in just 1.5 hours. The robot features smart navigation technology, scanning the pool to determine the most efficient cleaning path, ensuring every corner, wall, and floor area is addressed. With over 40 years of innovation behind the brand, the Dolphin Robot Vacuum delivers reliable, long-lasting performance, backed by a reputation for durability and efficiency. Its design accommodates various pool shapes and surfaces, maintaining optimal cleaning without requiring complicated programming or constant monitoring. Lightweight and maneuverable, the Dolphin robot can easily navigate pool floors, walls, and water lines, adjusting as necessary to maintain consistent coverage. Its maintenance-friendly features, combined with dependable performance, make it suitable for residential and commercial pools alike. Number 5. Beatbot Pool Robot Vacuum. The Beatbot Pool Robot Vacuum is a cutting-edge solution for pool cleaning, combining intelligent navigation, thorough scrubbing, and user-friendly operation. Its AquaSense 2 system offers enhanced waterline cleaning with double-pass scrubbing, tackling grime and buildup more effectively than standard single-pass robots. The robot features CleverNav advanced navigation powered by a 4-core CPU and 16 sensors, including ultrasonic, allowing it to adapt to your pool shape with optimized S-path and N-path cleaning for floors, walls, and water lines. Beatbot provides up to 4 hours of non-stop cleaning, powered by a 10,000 mAh battery, making it suitable for pools up to 3,230 square feet. The vacuum also includes effortless retrieval features, such as auto surface parking and one-click app parking, allowing it to float on the water surface for easy access after cleaning or when the battery is low. Its wireless charging and storage dock eliminate cord tangling, ensure safe charging, and simplify storage. Beatbot offers a 3-year comprehensive protection plan, including full machine replacement, which provides peace of mind and minimizes maintenance interruptions. Designed for deep and precise cleaning, this robotic vacuum effectively handles pool floors, walls, and water lines with powerful suction and intelligent path optimization. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.